Here's how to connect a local folder to Claude Desktop so it can work directly with your files. Open the Claude Desktop app and click your profile in the top left corner. Go to Settings, then find the Connectors section and click Customize. Click the plus button to browse available connectors and search for File System. Click the plus icon next to it to install it. Once installed, click Add Directory. This is where you choose exactly which folder Claude can access. Do not share your entire hard drive. Choose a specific folder relevant to what you need help with, like a project folder, a documents directory, or a coding workspace. Click Save to confirm. Claude can now read and work with files inside that folder. This is useful for tasks like summarizing documents, reviewing code, answering questions about your files, or helping organize content without you needing to manually copy and paste everything. You can add multiple directories or remove them anytime from the same Connectors section. If you ever want to revoke access, just go back to Settings, then Connectors, and remove the directory. A security tip: only share folders containing files relevant to your current task. There's no reason to give Claude access to sensitive directories like banking documents or personal records when you're working on something unrelated. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.